Get ready, going green.
Well, I think this might be a mistake, but we're going to do it anyway. I've just had 2 F4 races. One went really well, which I forgot to record. And then the second one didn't. So I've given up on that. So a bit of Legends Road Cup. Crashed out in qualifying, so I'm near the back. But anyway, got to be super careful on the throttle with these, particularly on the first lap. So let's just see what we can do, see if we can keep with them. It's easy to get it wrong. So gently does it. I like Summit Point, so I know the track okay. It's just, can I get these cars around? That yellow car's gone off already. And I think they've changed these Legends quite a lot, because it feels very different to last time I drove it. The gear change is very different. Handling feels different as well. Feels a lot, I don't know if it's harder to drive, it's just different to drive. I mean, he's struggling, clearly. Oh, my 5th, bloody hell. I don't know if I've got the pace to go with these guys, though. I don't know if I've got the skill to really hustle them round. So I think I'm going to be fighting off the guys behind. There's quite a slipstream effect. It's a long old straight, and these are built like bricks, aren't they? So.
Car right. Clear on the right.
Okay, so he's through. You have to be gentle on the throttle. Tyres are getting a bit warmer, so I could be okay, I think. Be a bit more aggressive. Probably gone a bit quicker through there.
Right side, clear. Right side. Still there, clear on
Okay.
right.
He's looking, isn't he? I'm gonna have to be a bit braver, aren't I think? I don't want to go off, but I think I'm gonna have to be a bit braver. Drop to 6th.
Right side. Keep to the left.
Okay, we're in different gears, aren't we? I'm getting mullered by this guy on my right and the guy behind.
25.694.
He's going to outbrake me now, I think.
Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Okay, so I'm a bit quicker than him through there. I wonder if I need to change gear there. I need to be in 4th, maybe. Let's see, I'm in 3rd. I think I'm quicker than him through there, aren't I? You seem very tentative. Bloody hell. Yeah, maybe down a gear is better.
.3. 5, 1.
Oh, they're going to be 3 abreast then.
You. Left side. Still there. Clear on the left.
Yeah, I don't know what this guy's doing. He seems quick in some places and then like really slow elsewhere. So, don't know what's going on. Oh. Maybe he got by me because I was really slow. Don't know. They've sort of gone by and now they're going slow again. Oh gosh, number 8's coming, isn't he? Blimey.
Clear on the left.
That's someone with confidence. I could see him coming. I'm gradually working my way backwards here.
Right side. Car 4 is
Yeah.
leading. Still there.
Not good.
25.794. Still there. Clear. Car on your left. Still there. Clear.
Well, there's a group of 5 of us now, but I've worked my way to the back of it. Which may be a good thing, or maybe not. I don't know. They're all going quicker than me, aren't they? Feels like, anyway. It feels like they're gonna
Go left.
take each other out. Well, he's taken one out for me.
Slow car ahead.
Someone else has taken themselves out.
An incident ahead.
Can I keep with Mr. Tide, I wonder? Maybe not. That'll be our best lap anyway.
Car 1 is up the front. 25.243. New fastest lap for you.
So what are they doing? 24s. Yeah, a fair bit quicker than us. Maybe we can push on a bit. I'll push on, but I don't want to kill myself. So we're going a bit quicker.
The leader just did a 24.072.
Okay. What are we going to do then?
24.01.
Same as the leaders then, pretty much.
Flat for you.
But slower than the guy ahead. Well, it'd be nice to catch these two, wouldn't it, if we could? Whether that's possible, I don't know. With our pace. Going a little bit quicker. So what have we got ahead then? Is that someone coming out of the pits?
5 minutes to go.
Or are they actually racing, those two? I think they're going to be racing, aren't they?
9. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Okay, well, if they start battling, then we might have a chance. I don't know if coming down to fourth is better or not there. Possibly not. Feels like third is better through there. Gives us a bit more control, I think.
Sorry, boy.
Hey, she's gone wide.
Car 4 is up the front. 23.65.
So we're going a little bit quicker. Actually gone quicker than the guy ahead that lap, that time out. We're not exactly closing him down, are we?
You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 2.7 seconds.
It says we're gaining, but not much, I don't think. Lost a bit of time there, so we nearly went off. Did that a little bit better.
There's an incident ahead.
Ah! I've done the same thing!
Car 2 is now leading.
Bugger! No! No!
35.411. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 2.6 seconds.
I was watching him going off thinking, oh good, he's gone off, I'll catch him. And I did the same thing. Come on. All that time trying to be careful and then go and mess it up. What are the chances? Are we going to catch anyone?
He's up the front. White flag.
Oh, no, I don't think so. Oh, how annoying.
24.353.
Could you please don't kill us in the last lap?
Well, that's a good request. Please don't kill us. Please don't kill myself on the last lap. That's what I'm going to say.
Dude, what the fuck?
Maybe he did kill him then. Didn't see the name that flashed up. Who was that?
Stop hitting me, man.
Oh dear. Sounds like they're having a bit of a battle at the lead then. Let's see if we can make this my best lap, shall we?
Fuck you. What a fucking asshole.
You got
Looks
it.
like he's been taken out, has he?
You got it. Slow car on the right.
Great race. What a fucking shithead.
Oh dear. Okay, well, that's our best lap of the race.
Slow car ahead. Car stops on the right. Go left.
Oh. Okay,
Check it.
so, yeah, not great.
Good job. Very good job.
Got better every lap though, so maybe if I do it again, I'll be a bit better. But let's look at those incidents, shall we? Okay then, so it's a rolling start. We got going. Let's see where it went wrong for people then. So what have we got here then? Yeah, easy to do. Oh, actually, he kept it. No, he nearly kept it going and then went off, unfortunately. So this is the guy that was a bit annoyed. So he'd gone off already early on, which is unlucky for him. And what have we got? Yeah, keep off the curbs. Oh, bang. Oh, is he going to go off again? Yes. So he's not doing very well, is he? So how he can't have been in the lead then? That can't have been him that was swearing. That must be somebody else. Too much throttle. I love the paint scheme though. Old 80s Yamaha. Very nice. Yeah, that's what I did, wasn't it? That was so annoying. So annoying to do that. 13 is not having a good time of it, and he's unfortunately hit somebody else. So it's the same guys, isn't it? Going off over and over, is it? I don't know if we've seen him before, not sure. And what have we got? Hey! Just locked up his rear. Unlucky. This guy's been off before, isn't he? Yeah, too much throttle. So that's the Tide guy who we were following, and he goes off, and then I don't know if it's going to show me. I don't know if it shows myself, but anyway, I did the same thing, which is very frustrating. So this is the leaders then, is it? Right, yeah, so he's complaining he's getting hit. So he's hitting him. Must be the last lap. What's going on? Let's just follow them, see what happens. Because he got very upset, didn't he? I get the feeling this guy's going to hit him again, is he? Yeah. So what's going to happen here then? Well, I mean, they were racing, weren't they? Oh, no. No. No, that's not on, is it? That's not on. That is not on. Cost him the win as well. Yeah, I'd be a bit annoyed about that. I'd be a bit annoyed about that. Yeah, that's not on, is it? Anyway, let's have a look at the results. Okay, then only 2 splits. That was the top split. Oh, I managed to get some safety rating. Managed to lose a bit of iRating, but I'm pleased I got some safety rating. So best lap, 22 flat. I managed a 23.3. I think I could have got into the 22s another few laps. I was getting quicker, taking more risks. Very annoying that I made that mistake, but happens. That's the way it goes, isn't it? Anyway, I enjoyed that. I hope you did too. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.